Picture this. It's the end of a long day, and you're craving that familiar comfort, that cold crisp beer waiting for you in the fridge. But as you reach for it day after day, have you ever stopped to wonder? What happens if you drink beer every day? Well, let's embark on a journey through the world of beer, exploring its effects on our health, our bodies, and our well-being. One is drinking beer every day considered healthy. Beer is one of the oldest and most widely consumed alcoholic beverages in the world. While enjoying a cold beer occasionally may not pose significant health risks for most people, regularly drinking beer every day can have various effects on your body. Here's what someone who drinks beer every day can expect to happen to their health. 2. Weight gain creeps in slowly, almost unnoticed. That extra layer around your midsection, the one you blame on age or genetics, might have more to do with your daily beer habit. You see, beer is more than just a refreshing beverage. It's calorie-dense, packed with carbs and alcohol that can tip the scales against you. Research from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition reveals the truth.
Regular beer consumption is linked to abdominal obesity and higher BMI, particularly among men. 3. Now, let's talk about your liver, your body's unsung hero. It works tirelessly to metabolize alcohol, but when you bombard it with beer day in and day out, it starts to show signs of wear and tear. Fatty liver, alcoholic hepatitis, cirrhosis. These are just a few of the potential consequences of chronic beer consumption. Studies published in the Journal of Hepatology paint a grim picture: inflammation, scarring, and the looming threat of liver failure. 4. Your heart, that steady rhythm that keeps you going, is not immune to the effects of daily beer consumption. While a glass of red wine might be hailed as heart-healthy, excessive beer drinking can lead down a dangerous path. The European Heart Journal warns us: hypertension, cardiomyopathy, stroke. These are the risks we face when we indulge in daily beer binges. 5. Mental health takes a hit as the haze of alcohol clouds our minds. Depression and anxiety lurk in the shadows, waiting to pounce on those who drown their sorrows in beer. The Journal of Affective Disorders reveals a troubling truth. Heavy beer consumption is linked to a higher prevalence of depressive symptoms. That nightly pint may offer temporary relief, but at what cost? 6. Sleep, that elusive treasure we all seek, becomes harder to grasp with beer in hand. Sure, it might help you drift off faster, but the quality of your rest suffers. Research from the Journal of Clinical Sleep Medicine paints a restless picture: fragmented sleep, frequent awakenings, and an overall poorer sleep quality haunt those who turn to beer as a bedtime companion. 7. And then, there's cancer. The word that strikes fear into the hearts of many. Regular beer consumption is not just a harmless habit. It's a ticking time bomb. The National Cancer Institute warns us: liver, breast, colon, esophageal cancer, all are lurking in the shadows, fueled by the ethanol in beer, metabolized into acetaldehyde, a known carcinogen that wreaks havoc on our DNA. So what's the verdict? Is beer every day worth the risk? Only you can decide. But remember, indulgence comes at a price, and when it comes to your health, it's a price not worth paying. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.